Have you smelt it?
You I said. Sometimes have I smelled it? Have I smelled it?
Okay, I'm ready.
Have I smelled it?
I think that's correct.
No.
Have you smelled it? I think
Have you smelled it? Not smelled it.
Smelled.
Okay.
Okay. Is it recording?
Yes.
Why would you?
Oh my God, the battery is gone. Hey everybody, it's Denise and
Cameron.
here to give you 10 Mom Day gifts or any day you want to make mom feel special. So these are a combination of handmade and bought gifts, and sometimes we're combining them. So let's start with the very first one, and we're going to add something new to something old. Let's have that one right there. And what this is
This one?
no, girl.
Oh. The basket?
Yes. All right. So this is the first one we're gonna look at, and this is like an old-fashioned, I want to say like a hat box, and there's lots of different ones. So this one is pretty old, and some moms like old stuff. So getting this seems like you're done and you got the gift, but if you open it, inside is a handmade shawl. And this is the mock mesh shawl, and it is super easy. So if you have not been loom knitting for a long time, you can still make mom this really nice shawl, and I'm going to put a link to the video for this shawl in the description. But I think that's a cool gift. It's a gift inside a gift.
For people who are chilly.
For people who are chilly. Like that? Cool. Alright, next gift. If your mom likes wine.
Like wine?
If your
Mom likes wine.
If your mom likes wine.
Or even water.
Or even water. How about a bottle in a really cool
It's actually really cute.
mock mesh knitted cover.
And it'll keep your hands from getting cold.
Keeps your hands from getting cold. And what I really like about this, especially when you can get these bottles on Amazon and a lot of stores. In fact, I think we got this one like at TJ Maxx.
Yeah.
Okay. I happen to like kombucha, which is a homemade fermented drink, and these can be made in so many pretty colors. And the custom bottle is very cool because mom can use it again and again and again. And I will again add the YouTube video for this pattern in the description. All of the patterns, there'll be a description there'll be a link in the description. All right, let's get to the next one.
Like another thing that you could use this for is there's certain gift ideas where like you do a time travel bottle.
Ooh.
So you put like sand in and like cute little ideas or things like you love about your mom. And you can put it in there with this on the outside and sand inside and little like shells and stuff.
Or even a cool note inside.
Yeah, like notes and stuff.
Oh, I like. And the net will work also for water bottles, so you can custom size it so
Just
you
make it
can
smaller.
Yeah, just make it shorter, and it'll work great on a water bottle. So another gift that is very common for Mother's Day and for gifts are of course the washcloths. So it's always cool to have like a bunch. This one is 3 of them. And if mom is really funky with colors, she likes custom colors, that's what's nice about this, because some of us like really odd colors, right?
Some of us like dark normal colors.
Like a lime green. And what's nice about these is that you can include with them, of course, a soap.
But hopefully it smells better than this one.
You didn't hear that. All right. Next thing that I really like a lot are the little sachet bags, and this is a really quick gift to make, right? These little things. And they are so versatile. There's another one somewhere, right there. Okay, these you can buy tea bags that are empty. And you can fill these tea bags with, you know, stuff like baking soda, and mom can put these inside her shoes. So
you just shake out of there. Just
yeah, there's like little baking soda in there, and you could add essential oils and rice and stuff. And these work as fresheners. So you can give mom a new pair of running shoes, for instance, and a little box full of these little sachet bags. They're also good to put a gift inside. Most moms,
really cute. You can make them like keychains or like bobby pin holders or something.
Yeah, you can hang them up in bathrooms, closets, drawers, all kind of things. There's so many good things to make with these little sachet bags, and you can make them like super quick. It's a super fast project that you can make, and
they look like a little coin purse.
and they make cool little coin purses. Lots of different things. The other thing I like about this particular pattern is that if you take the little bag and you flatten it, you can turn it into a little facial mask. A little facial scrubby. A little face scrubby, because it's nice and small. And I added a little like rope right here so that it stays hanging with your bottle. And it's very textured, so that's really good to
exfoliate.
Yeah, to exfoliate your face.
Skin.
Yeah, I like that a lot. Just make sure that if you are going to wet these, that you make them with cotton yarn.
And you probably shouldn't make it white, because you know, all the dirt and stuff.
And you
might make it another color.
Yeah, maybe making another color. I like white because, you know,
it's pretty.
And it matches everything. Exactly. So those are the reasons. Okay, so another idea that I have, this one might seem a little odd to people, but I like the idea of a little custom mom doll.
It looks exactly like you.
So this one,
that's her twin.
So this one actually is supposed to look like Wilma Flintstone, because I think as a mom she is so super cool. So if your mom looks like Wilma Flintstone, actually I'm putting this little doll up for sale, and she will be in the Etsy store on Mission Bound Creations. So,
easy buy.
Yeah, I'll put a link for her.
For you.
Yeah, if your mom has red hair and she resembles Wilma from the Flintstones.
Or if she is Wilma Flintstone.
Right, but
then you're good.
Because of copyright, we will not call her
Yeah.
Wilma. We'll call her
Ginger.
We'll call her Ginger. There you go. All right, so a custom mom doll. You'll have to design it yourself. This pattern is not up yet. All right. Another thing that I think is great is that if your mom is already a loom knitter, well, she might like a couple of new products that came out from KB. They have 3 new loom designs. This is the double knit loom, and it hasn't been out very long, so this is a nice surprise if your mom loom knits. And another thing that they have is the his and her sock, and this way you're covered for Mom's Day and Father's Day. How about that? I think that's a cool one. And they have another all of these are small gauge. They have a set which brings these 3 sets, and by the way, no sponsorship here, so I'm just giving this to you as an idea. This is a really cool loom, and as a loom knitter, I like the idea of these 3 different sizes, all small gauge, and I like that it comes in a box, so it makes gift giving really easy. Another idea I wanted to give you guys is membership, so that mom gets a gift not just in May, but all year long. Yes, every month. Oh, right there.
Wait.
This is a skein of yarn from knitcrate.com, and I'm going to give you guys a custom link in the description, and under that link will be a 20% discount. That is an affiliate link, and it does help LoomaHat.com
So
on a
she
very
can get
tiny
a present too.
But exactly, mom gets a gift, LoomaHat gets a gift,
We
all is well. There you go. And again, with a membership, these memberships are really good. Did I bring the rest of the thing? No. Okay. Mom will get 2 skeins, not 1, and it also comes always with 2 patterns, one for knitting and one for crocheting. They have not included loom knitting yet, but I am working on that, folks, and as soon as I can get that going, you will also see a few loom knitting patterns included in the Knit Crate membership. With them, by the way, there are several, I think it's 3 different options. So it is a really good buy. The yarn is always really pretty, and
yes, it's nice.
Yeah, it's very nice. This one has little speckles on it. This was actually, I believe this was March.
Perfect for spring.
Yeah.
They probably like orient them by season.
Yeah,
Like the color
there's
stuff.
always a theme. So you can always go to the website and you'll get an idea of what's gonna probably come up in your Knit Crate. Another quick one before I forget, I have a new pattern, which is the teddy bear, and I wanted to say that some of us are a little odd and we like our toys a little different. I happen to like faceless toys, and so for that new teddy bear pattern, if your mom is like her mom, well, a faceless teddy bear, oddly enough, you wouldn't think that a stuffed animal is great for mom, but I love stuffed animals personally, and if I thought my sweetie pie made me a stuffed animal, I would be really, really happy.
And just in case if mom doesn't like it, you can pass it on to the dog. Well, it could be like a dog toy. I'm just
If
saying.
you make it for the dog, make sure that you use cotton that's not going to be harmful to the dog, and the stuffing is not going to be harmful either. And I want to say, on a personal note, I happen to like handmade cards.
Are you throwing hints at me?
Yes. Nothing speaks to mom like a handmade card, and I have to tell you that we're moving, so we've been packing and repacking stuff, and my husband and I happened to find a card that Cameron wrote when she was little, and it was so funny. So I gotta show you guys what's in this card. It is so funny. So she writes Happy Father's Day on the card, and inside, we're gonna assume that at this point there was like a not a good time.
I probably had to do that.
Somebody was not very happy with Dad. And inside she puts, thanks for being the only star in my galaxy. Have a great Father's Day. But then somehow at some point she actually scratched off, thanks for being the only. She changed it to, thanks for being the worst star in my galaxy. Have a great Father's Day.
You're a caged animal.
So this is why parents love handmade cards, because so you can go back and just crack up with your kid and the stuff they come up with. Come on, you can't beat that gift. I love them. So those were my odd gift ideas and some cool ones. I hope you found one in there that inspires you and makes you want to make a happy Mother's Day. A happy Mother's Day for the mom in your life. All right, remember to share, like, comment, and if you haven't already done so,
Subscribe.
Yeah. Bye, guys.
Oh, check out all of her social media,
And check out all my social
which will be
media.
listed in the description box below.
It
And
is.
you should ask what's their oh yeah, so you guys should tell us like which project gift idea that you're planning to do or you would like to receive, because you don't know who may be seeing it, maybe they'll know. So now we get your ideas on what you're gonna do, which is always
Absolutely.
interesting.
Yeah. Yeah. I pick up a lot of my ideas from you guys.
Yeah.
Feed the monster.
Alright. Thanks for watching. Bye. Is this like pure shea butter?
Look at that. You ain't no butter.
I want a pure shea butter.
But you ain't no butter. Anyway, moving on. You don't get soap and you don't get poison. Stop smelling it. You might take all the smell out.
It smells bad. It smells like weird grass.